everyone, this is Kayode Leke. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can actually remove labels like this, or bookmark or watermark, from pictures that you want to use for your designs or your images. So if you're new in this channel, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell beside the subscribe button, so that whenever a new video like this is uploaded, you will get a notification on your phone or on your PC. And if you like this video, at the end of the video, which I implore you to watch the video to the end, is very educative, you should also share with your friends so that your friends can also benefit from it. So now, quickly into the tutorial. What we need to do is to first of all double click this layer, because I've imported it into Photoshop. So I'm going to double click this to make it a normal layer. Okay, then you click OK. Then the next thing is I'm going to zoom. I will zoom in so that I can have a clearer view of what I am trying to correct or remove rather. So I'll use my pen tool. Then I'll use the pen tool to trace out this shape. Okay, so I put it on this point here. Then I'm going to draw a curve around this curved shape of the stethoscope. So the next point, you click, hold and drag. You click, hold and drag. That's it. So you adjust it. You hold your button left key. You hold your left mouse down and drag till you get the shape. Then you press the alt button down to remove, so that you can remove this particular line. Now you can't, because if you don't remove this particular line, you'll be able to continue the path. You have an irregular shape or path. So you press your alt button down, you notice that it changes. Then you click this point, you see it removes that. Then you connect it and close the path by clicking the last one. So that's it. So you right click on this, then you click and you select make selection, then click OK. So with this, you can just hit your delete button and you see it removes it. So that's that. So you can just press Ctrl D to deselect it. Yeah, so we'll do the same thing all around. Okay, do the same thing all around. You right click on this, make selection. Okay, then remember you do what, you hit the delete button. So that's that. So Ctrl D to deselect again. Yep, so that's that. So I'll do the same thing here also. So if you want to learn how to use the pen tool properly, just check the description below. You will find how you can use the pen tool properly. Then you can also use the pen tool to create a background, to remove backgrounds from an image. If you're a photographer or you're a picture editor or whichever, you can learn how to make editions by removing backgrounds from images, from pictures, whichever, using your pen tool. So just check the description button below and you will see the details there. Okay, all right, then Ctrl D. Yep, so that's that. So I can also remove this white. Here, but that is really not the essence of today's video. The essence of today's video is basically how we can remove the watermark. Now if you notice that the watermark still exists on the shape here on, sorry, the watermark still exists on the stethoscope here. Yeah, so now what we need to do is we'll use our stamp tool. You can see this is your stamp tool. If you right click on it, you see your clone stamp, your pattern stamp. So you click, so select your clone stamp. Now you can see that the circle here is big. So what I did, I would like to reduce the size, so I right click, then you can adjust the size to whatever you want. Then when you're done, you can just right click again or just press enter. Alright, now what we need to do is you can now copy, you need to copy now, like name implies, this clone stamp. I'm trying to clone this path here. I want to clone in here so that I can erase this watermark. So what do? You press your Alt button down and click that particular part you want to clone. So maybe somewhere around here, you just click it with your Alt button down. Note you press your Alt button down and click where you want to clone. So just let's click here, and you can now start cleaning up. Okay, I start to clean up. So I would like to, so you can copy the, so as you are tracing it, you realize that the cloned part tends to start fading away. So all you need to do is to come back and trace again, or copy again, or clone again. You press your Alt button down, you see the cursor changes, then you can just click. Once you click, you've copied that path, and you can now erase again. So like that, you continue till you are done removing the watermark. Okay, remember, once you've copied, just do that. Once you've copied, all you need to do is just to clean up. Okay, see what I'm saying? Alright, okay, let me copy this again, alright. Okay, let's see our image, if it's looking nice. Okay, it's looking a bit okay, it's looking a bit good. Alright, let's do the same for here. Let's do the same thing here. Let me reduce the size. So you press enter, so you can copy this, then you click, then you can just clean up. Nice and easy. So you need to have a firm hand. If your hand is not firm, man, you need to go work on yourself. If your hand is not firm, you need to go and work on yourself. Well, okay, alright, I think I over traced that. I'll need to clean that again. Alright, sorry. Alright, so alright, okay, it's looking like it now. Okay, it's looking like it now. Okay, alright, so you just need to be careful while tracing this out so that you don't. Alright, so let me clean up this also. Alright, let me add this here also. Alright, so while tracing it, you just have to be careful so that you don't over trace. Now I'm trying to trace this white reflection, this white line reflection. So let me do that quickly. Let me reduce the size of this, then let me trace this out. Alt, copy, then I can trace out. Alt, copy, trace out. Okay, alt copy. Okay, alt copy. Okay, all right, so it's going to look a bit nice. So now if I want to make this look a bit nice and look not too as if I don't want it to look rough, I can just blur this out. Just select your blur tool here, blur tool, then you can blur this out a bit. Okay, so that it blends along with what you just did. Okay, then I can do the same thing here also, and just blur this out a bit so that, yep. Okay, so if I still want to make it look nice, I can give it a little bit of burning. Okay, use your burn tool here. Oh, this is too big, this is too big, this is too big, this is way too big. All right, okay, all right, reduce this a bit. All right, okay, good. Then you can just burn this a bit. You can burn this area a bit. I can burn this area a bit. Okay, all right, that's good. Then let me burn this area to a bit. Okay, so it's more or less like you're giving it its own, and you're repeating. It's as if you're making it have another reflection to make it look a little bit real. Okay, now let me do the same thing here also. Okay, now do the same thing here also. All right, so here we go. So that's how it's gonna look like. So you can still work on this some more to make it look nice using your blur tool and using your burn or dodge tool. Dodge makes it light. You can add some lighting to it like we have here. Okay, this is big. Okay, all right, so with this I can give it some lighting and make it light. Okay, you just have to make your hand steady. Just make your hand steady, so you can see it looking light a bit. Yep, so that's that. So you need to do something similar for this place also, so that you can get something light here. So that's how you can actually remove watermark from your images. So if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and also share with your friends. And remember, if you're also new on this channel, please hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and the bell, so that you can get notifications whenever new videos like this are posted. So I'll see you in another video. Take care of yourself.